Puralytics is a clean tech company that makes photocatalytic water treatment products. Basically what that means is we use products that take light energy and convert it into chemical energy that can break down organics, remove metals, and inactivate pathogens all in one swoop. It's green in the sense that the material isn't consumed. We're taking energy in the form of light, which can be provided by sunlight, or in the case of some of our products, from really energy efficient LEDs, to break down some of those complex organics without capturing them in any place and releasing kind of a benign form of that back into the environment. It's doing the work that nature is going to eventually do by breaking down those contaminants into water and carbon dioxide. So we make 3 different products currently that all utilize kind of the same core technology. Basically, we have an open water system that we're developing with OregonBest called the LilyPad, which allows us to take a piece of our technology and drop it into an open water system like a lake or a river or a pond, and kind of passively treat the contaminants that may be present in that water source. What we're working on is treating stormwater contaminants, which can include a lot of heavy metals that are harmful to the environment, like zinc and copper, as well as treating a lot of hydrocarbons that can end up on roadways and things of that nature that are washed out by rain. Our other products are the solar bag, which is a 3-liter bag that you can fill up with water from any freshwater source and leave it out in the sun for 3 hours and make the water of drinking quality. Then we also have the Shield product, which utilizes our pairing of LEDs and our photocatalyst technology, which allows us to basically do the same thing that the sun is doing when it activates our material in any of our outdoor products, but does it at a much higher energy level, so we can achieve that same performance at a much higher rate. This particular project that we're working with OregonBest on right now is the second project that we've done with OregonBest. Both have been focused on releasing the LilyPad. What we are trying to do with the LilyPad is get to a point where we can understand the dynamics that are going to change when we transition from a batch process like the solar bag to an open system like a pond or a lake or a river. But we didn't have the resources to go out and study that in a meaningful way on our own. And so what OregonBest allowed us to do was to find a really powerful partner in Oregon State University and basically work with them on an existing project where they're studying kind of the treatment of stormwater to better understand how our system could perform on a real water source. Building that community of startups and stuff and that culture is really important, and it's fun to be part of it, and it's really exciting to be part of a startup. You have to get good at problem solving, and you learn how to work with other people in a totally different way than you might have to at a bigger company, because you're solving unique problems that requires unique resources, and that's something that OregonBest can provide really well.